So this one's going out to you guys out there because I'm a guy. You might have the great job, you might have the great house, you might have the great car, you might even have the great girl, but do you have the great health and the great body that you truly want? Well, if you're saying no, then what are you doing about that? Are you being proactive? Are you really trying to get that great body and get that great health, or you just don't care because you have the rest? Well, to enjoy all those things, you truly need to have the great health, and the body will come to along with that. And if you want to be proactive and preventative about your health, and you want the best body you could possibly have, right? Being the best version of you, that's where Titan Medical Center comes into play to help you, to navigate you, to be by your side and support you till you get to those goals. And then you'll truly have everything because you'll have your health and you'll be able to do all those great things that you truly want to do. So if you're ready to take charge of your health and be proactive, contact Stay at Titan Medical Center and we will help you. 727-389-3220. We're looking forward to it. All you have to do is take that first step.